Nimai's childhood pastimes. Nimai accepts offerings of Jagdish and Hiranya Pandit. The time for Nimai's formal education approached. Fixing an auspicious day and time, Sri Jagannath Mishra formally placed the writing chalk in the hand of his son. The Karnabhed ceremony, which marked the beginning of Nimai's Vedic studies, was also observed. Nimai amazed everyone by writing down all alphabet letters immediately on seeing them. After a few days, Sri Chudakarna ceremony was performed, wherein young Brahmin boys shaved their heads, leaving only a shikha. Within 2 or 3 days, Nimai had learnt all conjunct letters, and he spent his time writing many different names of the Supreme Lord Krishna, like Ram, Murari, Vanamali, etc. The living entities became enraptured just by hearing Nimai's sweet recitation of Bengali alphabet. The Lord of Vaikuntha, Narayan, in the guise of child Nimai, studied day and night with other children in Nadia. Unable to catch the birds flying in the sky, Nimai wept bitterly and rolled in the dust, thrashing his arms and legs. At such times, everyone would try to pacify Nimai. Jagannath Mishra would take him in his arms, but little Nimai would not be pacified. Looking at the moon and the stars, he would cry out, "Give, give!" The only remedy for Nimai's crying was performing kirtan, that is, chanting the names of Lord Hari. Everyone would clap their hands and chant, "Hari, Hari!" Only then he would forget his distress and begin to dance in joy. He converted Jagannath Mishra's house into the transcendental abode of Vaikuntha. One day, in spite of loud chanting of Hari's name, Nimai continued crying. Someone said, "Speak, child. Tell us what you want. We will get whatever you like, but stop crying." The Lord said, "If you want to save my life, then go quickly to the houses of my dear devotees, Jagdish and Hiranya Pandit. I am very attracted to the homes of these 2 pure devotees, and if I eat their offerings, I would become healthy and behave normally." Jagdish and Hiranya Pandit were topmost devotees of the Lord and close friends of Jagannath Mishra. When they heard Lord's request, they were filled with joy. The 2 Brahmin Vaishnavas said, "This is very extraordinary. We've never seen such an intelligent child. How could he know that today is Ekadashi and a large variety of food has been offered to the Lord?" Now we understand the child's exquisite beauty. Lord Gopal must be residing in him. The Supreme Lord Narayan acts through this boy. Sitting in his heart, the Lord prompts Nimai to speak in amazing ways. The 2 topmost devotees took all the offerings to Nimai's house and said, "Take all the offerings we made for the Lord. By doing so, our desire to satisfy Krishna will be fulfilled." The Lord happily received all the offerings and tasted a little something from every preparation. The Lord's eternal servants, Jagdish and Hiranya Pandit, saw to their full satisfaction how the Supreme Lord, as a Brahmin child, performed his transcendentally playful pastimes. Smiling, the Lord ate all offerings, and all his unusual whims were satisfied. Everyone in the house sang, "Hari, Hari." The Lord ate and danced to the chanting of his own name. This is how the Supreme Personality of Godhead, described in all the Vedas and Puranas, performed his transcendental pastimes, only seen and understood by his fortunate and confidential associates. Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki Jai!